Good morning. Here is Christmas figs. Remember Christmas figs? We've been working on this since January. Joanna Figueroa of Fig Tree & Co. Christmas figs. And it was done originally in reds and greens. And I'm doing it in Heather Peterson Marketplace. And here are the different blocks. I like the schoolhouse one. And I like that 9-patch one. Of course, the pineapple one's good. I like this one, the bows. Oh, that one's pretty. It came out too small, though. I had to make it a little bigger, and it didn't quite come out beautifully. I don't think this one will go in the fair, that's for sure. And this one has oh, I like that one, too. And the spools. And the feathered star. Those are all my favorites. And the last row, this one's pretty, the tree. Lots of flying geese. And a little applique. Well, what do you think? It sure is a pretty thing. It'll be great. I'm going to put it on the wall in the family room for Christmas. Well, let me know what you think. Thank you. Bye-bye. This is Marlene with Dixie Quilters. Bye.